have this question for you. Don't you find it so disturbing that in 2020, some persons still don't believe that you can earn an honest living as low as $1 online without scamming a soul? I mean, don't you find it so disturbing? I know, this is not $1, I'm just representing dollar. I mean, if you don't find it disturbing, for me, I find it very, very disturbing. So that's one of the reasons why I'm doing this video, to clear the air and to educate whoever that is watching this video that you can actually earn an honest living without scamming a single soul online. So that brings me to this video. I'm going to show you the 6 genuine online businesses that you can earn a living from without scamming a single soul in 2021. These 6 online businesses cut across so many spheres of online business, and I'm going to take my time to explain each and every one of them. Making money online builds on these 4 principles. I mean, you have to sell a service, you have to be offering a service. I'm sorry to disappoint you there is no easy way to make money online, although there are some that are not so tedious. But making money online dwells on these things I'm to mention right now. If you are not selling something online, you are offering a service, or you must be selling something online, be it a service or a product. These 2 things. Okay, if you're not doing these 2 things, you are trading on something, stocks or cryptocurrency or in forex. Okay, and if you are not doing these 3 things, you are either helping someone to sell something online. Okay, you don't own a product, but you are helping someone to sell something online. So I'm just going to take my time in this video to explain all of this to you so that you can key into them in 2021. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, bro, I don't know what you are waiting for. I don't know. So please hit that red subscribe button, please. Okay, we are almost at 10k. We are 8k away from hitting 10k. So please, I know you guys can do it. Come on now, you can do it for me. Okay, I appreciate for those that subscribed already. So without wasting much of your time, let's get to the video. Okay, so having mentioned what the online business model, what they revolve around, okay, the business, the rule of selling or offering a service or trading on something or helping someone sell. Okay, these 4 rules are what the earning online revolves around. Okay, so I'm just going to dive into 6 online businesses that I actually queue into in 2021. So I'm starting with freelancing. Okay, so number 1 is freelancing. Freelancing is you are not, let me just define it in layman's language, you are not employed by someone for a long term. Okay, so just for a project, and once you are done with it, you move to another employer. Okay, so it's not like you are employed or stuck to someone. Okay, so here is how freelancing works. Okay, for you to freelance, you must have a particular skill that you are offering in exchange for cash. Okay, and let's assume that you know how to design a website. You're a website designer. You can actually freelance, okay, whereby you offer business owners your expertise to design a website for them for a particular fee. Okay, so you offer a website design service, and the person pays you for that. Okay, then you move on to the next person. That's by the way. Then there is, okay, let's assume that you're a graphic designer. You know how to design graphics, you know how to do flyers, you know how to do so many graphics, amazing graphics. You're a video editor and all of that. You have those skills. Okay, the freelancing niche is for you. So you offer a particular service, okay, and get paid for it. It's just like a carpenter on the streets. It's just like an electrician elsewhere on the estate where you live. It's just like exchange of services and money. That's what it is. A doctor that offers his expertise and get paid for it. So that is all what happens in freelancing. You must have a service, you must have something to offer. I mean, I'm not just going to walk up to you and say, okay, take my money. No, it doesn't work that way. Nobody picks money off the ground. Nobody, literally nobody. Okay, so you must be offering a service or have something to offer. You must be offering a solution. You must be solving a problem for you to key into freelancing, okay, and make money off it. So the first step for you to get started in freelancing is, first of all, get a skill, okay, and find a particular high-paying skill, not just a skill, and find a niche that suits your skill, and mine the gold in that skill that you have. Okay, so 2 worthy mentions in case if you are confused on where to start your freelancing career, okay, where to meet people that will pay you for offering a particular service. Fiverr is a perfect place to get started your freelancing career. I started there and I've made so much that I'm grateful for God, for getting me started on that platform. Okay, so I'll leave a link in the description for those that want to join Fiverr. I'll leave a link for those that want to get started. All right, so the first link you see in the description will be to Fiverr. Then second website where you can kickstart your freelancing career is Upwork. Okay, Upwork is also a great way to start your freelancing career. Upwork.com. I'll leave a link also in the description. There you make thousands and hundreds of buyers that will easily pay you for a particular service that you offer. I hope that explains it. Okay, and on the side note, I just want to mention you can also freelance, on offline. You can freelance offline if you're a website designer and people in your area. You get to meet so many SMEs, small scale businesses that are just starting, that needs a website, that needs graphics and all of that. You can still freelance offline apart from these sites I just mentioned. I hope that does it for you. Okay, so the second online businesses that you can queue into in 2021 is e-commerce. Okay, e-commerce in simplest of the terms is selling a product online. That is it. Okay, whether physical or digital. Okay, so that is e-commerce for you. Okay, mostly physical products. Okay, and it comes in 2 ways. You have a local e-commerce business and you have dropshipping business where you sell to people beyond your country. Okay, and there are so many websites that helps you do this. You have Shopify. Okay, you can have your own website and sell your own product and all of that. But let's just leave dropshipping aside. Let's come with e-commerce, how you can make money with e-commerce in Nigeria. Okay, let's assume that this cup, let's assume that I have this cup and is the only, is a very rare cup to find, and people are looking for this black ceramic cup. Okay, you can actually start selling this online under e-commerce. Okay, all you need to do is sign up on Facebook. Okay, create a landing page. Okay, for these products, where you specify the benefits of getting this product and every thing concerning this product, how it will benefit the buyers, and every benefits of getting this product. Okay, so design a landing page or a funnel for it. Okay, then drive traffic to it. It can be Facebook advert, it can be Google advert. Okay, these are ways that you can get people to know that, hey, I'm selling this cup and I want to sell it. Okay, Facebook is very, very nice for you to get customers, to sell whatever product you are selling online. Okay, I'm just mentioning it. If you need an in-depth explanation, I'll leave links to some persons that you can contact for these courses, okay, that are pretty good at what they do. All right, so moving on from e-commerce, a worthy mention also for those that are in Nigeria or local. Okay, e-commerce, you can actually not import, okay, because importation has so many, is capital intensive and has so many hurdles to it. Okay, you can actually go to Island. Okay, you can actually go to Computer Village. So many markets in Lagos that you can source products. They call it local sourcing. Okay, for those that don't know what to sell, what do I sell? You just sit and think about a product that can sell, that can solve a particular problem. Let's say weight loss. People that have weight loss issue, that don't want to go out to the gym, and you can go and buy a treadmill. Okay, or even liaise with the seller. Okay, tell him I'll run an ad, I'll set up a funnel for this, run an ad to it, and when I get sale, you deliver to them, and I get to get part of the money. You get, so this is local e-commerce. This is how it works, although it's kind of capital intensive for ads and all of that, but this is how you get to earn money. You sell a product and the people you sell the product to pays you. Pretty simple, right? Okay, so the third way to make money online is blogging and vlogging. Okay, blogging in simple term is constantly updating a particular website on a particular issue. Okay, a particular topic. You can blog on so many things. You can blog on entertainment. People want to know what's happening with Wizkid, what is happening with Davido, and all of that. Okay, they want to keep up with the latest gist, and so many of them. Okay, so you can actually open a blog about this. Search online, you see so many information about blogging. Okay, And how do I earn money with blogging? Okay, let me explain vlogging. Vlogging is YouTube, okay, the video aspect of it, making videos about a particular topic, about a particular niche, okay? So these two works together. Google, drive traffic. Google drive traffic to blogs and vlogs, okay, on YouTube. So people are searching for how to tie gele. People are searching for how to twerk. People are searching for how to dance shaku shaku, okay? So you find these specific keywords, okay, and build a niche around it. Okay, so let's say you have health, you are a medical doctor and you want to start earning from blogging. Okay, you can actually open a blog on health. People love authentic health information that will solve their problem. Okay, so you can actually start writing and publishing blog posts on this particular niche. Those that love entertainment can go to entertainment. Those that are very techy can go into techy, blogging. Okay, so how do you earn money through this blogging? There's what you call Google AdSense. There's what you call affiliate, earnings for bloggers. Okay, so what happens is that once your blog qualifies for Google AdSense, okay, there is a particular criteria that you have to meet before you qualify. Okay, once you qualify, you are brought into Google AdSense program, and when people visit your site, okay, the more page views, the more they view adverts on your blog post, and the more they click on it, the more money you earn online, okay, and you get paid through Payoneer or through your local domiciliary bank account here in Nigeria. Okay, so it's pretty that simple. And also I'm going to recommend someone that has been in that blogs fair for so long that his materials will help. Emenike Manuel. I'll leave a link in the description for him. Okay, so go check it out. Okay, go send him a message if you need anything on blogging. So the fourth online businesses you can key into in 2021 is cryptocurrency trading, okay, and forex. Okay, these two are kind of similar. Okay, although I just I'm new to the cryptocurrency space. Okay, cryptocurrency online business. Okay, but there are actually some that trade in bitcoins. Okay, there are actually some that trade forex. Okay, I don't have all the details on how this works, but I know that Bitcoin is one of the greatest assets you can own right now. Okay, you can buy when it's valued low, okay, and wait over time to sell it off. Okay, let's say assume it's at 9k per one Bitcoin, you can buy it then, and trust me, it will surely appreciate in value. Okay, and you get to sell it off when it appreciates. Okay, and take your profit and go. If you don't like that, there is also a cryptocurrency trading, business model that you can follow. I would recommend Chris Annie of Daba.school. Okay, if you need to get started in cryptocurrency trading. Okay, so also forex. I don't know anybody on forex, but I think I have pretty much explained how these online businesses work and how you can earn an honest living doing them wherever you are. Okay, so the fifth online business that you ought to key into in 2021 is digital sales. Okay, if you have a particular skill, so this is how it works. If you have a particular skill, if you know how to do videos well, okay, like with your phone, well, you can teach people how to do it. Okay, there are a lot of people that they can't afford a camera, but they don't know how to shoot videos with their phone. You can actually teach people this and get to earn. They pay you for teaching them. Okay, you package it in an ebook or in a video format and sell it to these people. Okay, you sell a solution. Okay, let's assume that you know how to remove dandruff and you have an ebook on it. Okay, there are so many people that are struggling with dandruff. There are so many people that are struggling with acnes, pimples, how to remove them. There are so many people that are struggling with depression, and you're a therapist and you know how to deal or solve this problem. You can actually package this information into an ebook, into a video course, okay, and have it market it to these particular people that needs this particular problem solved. Okay, so this is how it works. You solve a problem, you package it. You have a problem, you have a skill that you want to teach people, be it web design, be it graphic design. You can package it in an ebook in a well-detailed manner, not just do it anyhow. Give it your best, okay, package it well and sell it to people that actually need this information, okay, and get to earn pretty much from it. I've earned a couple of hundreds of naira using this method, selling my skill. Okay, and I know you guys can also. So the last but not the least online business you should key into is affiliate marketing. Okay, affiliate marketing is, earlier I mentioned that if you're not selling something, you must be helping others to sell something. Okay, so this is how affiliate marketing works. You help people that have a product sell their product. Okay, mostly a digital product. Okay, so you don't have to get involved in shipping the products. Okay, let's assume there are so many websites that you can start, get started on. You have ClickBank, you have JVZoo, you have Warrior Plus. Okay, and for our own Nigerian based affiliate marketing platform, you have Expertnia. Okay, where you help people sell their digital products and you get paid commission. Okay, and there are other affiliate marketing niches. Okay, if you're a web designer and you use Bluehost, you use hostings and all of that, they have affiliate programs for their users. Okay, you can actually sign up and get a link and share it to your clients that needs to sign up or use their service, and you get paid a commission. Okay, so I don't know if you hear Igbo, but let me say it's Odokonye Nabo or Safia. Okay, you help someone sell their product and get a commission for it. So that is how affiliate marketing works. And I'm going to point you towards Daniel Hustle. He has a YouTube channel on YouTube. Okay, that talks about affiliate marketing, so you guys can go to his channel and watch tons of free videos and follow it. Take action. I know the guy is killing it on affiliate marketing, and his videos will surely help you get started. Okay, I hope this does it. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was so informative. It's just an informative video, okay, to take you through these online businesses that you can actually queue into in 2021 and start making an honest living online. Okay, so I hope I'll see you guys in my next video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, we are about hitting 10k. We want to hit 10k by all means. I know you guys can do that for me. If you're watching this video, please hit the red subscribe button to get us to 10k. All right, thank you so much.